Welcome to my YouTube channel Screen Print. This is our second video of cryptocurrency series. So in this video we will discuss cryptocurrency examples and how to buy cryptocurrency. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Some of these are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. Number 1, Bitcoin. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Number 2, Ethereum. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Number 3, Litecoin. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovation, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Number 4, Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are collectively known as altcoins to distinguish them from the original. How to buy cryptocurrency? You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically 3 steps involved. Number 1, choosing a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a traditional broker or dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional brokers. There are online brokers who offer ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency as well as other financial assets like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. These platforms tend to offer lower trading costs but fewer crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallet storage, interest-bearing account options, and more. Many exchange charges asset-based fees. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are on offer, what fees they charge, their security features, storage and withdrawal options, and any education resources. Number 2, finding your account. Once you have chosen your platform, the next step is to fund your account so you can begin trading. Most crypto exchanges allow users to purchase crypto using fiat currencies such as the US dollar, the British pound, or the euro using their debit or credit card, although this varies by platform. Number 3, placing an order. You can place an order via your brokers or exchanges, web or mobile platform. If you are planning to buy cryptocurrencies, you can do so by choosing the order type. So this was our video about cryptocurrency examples and how to buy cryptocurrency. If you like my video, please like and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel Screen Print and press bell icon for more videos.